Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so today we are moving on to, from Romanticism to Transcendentalism. There are five main pillars of Transcendentalism. The first one is self reliance, which means relying on oneself to make good choices and not be tempted by others. You have to rely on yourself to be able to have that inner goodness, which would then propel you to make the right choice rather than following the crowd. So, self reliance. Number two is free thought. So having your own thoughts and not limiting yourself to the possible, but thinking about all the impossible things that people could do. So that means like our inventors, right? People who have thought of things that other people never thought of, or being willing to try new things, having free thought and not be limited by what has been done before. Number three is the importance of nature. All things in nature are significant and important. Basically, that nature can teach us things. This is kind of parallel to the Native American literature sense, in that nature has a lot that can teach us, and that it is. Sorry, I'm like without struggling for words here. Basically, nature is just super important, and that we need to take care of the nature rather than destroy it. Number four is nonconformity. So when one person conforms to a group, it means that they're doing everything that the group does. So nonconformity would mean that you follow your own path and not the path of the crowd. This kind of goes with self-reliance and free thought, but it just means that you don't do the same thing that everybody else does just to do what everybody else does. You don't give in to that peer pressure. And number five is confidence. So being confident in your abilities, your knowledge, and your skills, that you are able to make change in the world, or that you are able to do great things because of the talents, the natural talents that you were born with. So that is Transcendentalism, the five main pillars, and we're going to be working with this quite a lot. So over the next, I'd say, week. So if you have any questions, let me know.